My dear children, I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are enjoying the lesson which we are doing in the math, right? So children, in today's math class, we will continue with the Math Magic chapter 1, Where to Look From. In the last class, we have completed till page number 4, okay? So in today's class, let's see what we are going to do. So in today's class, we will be doing page number 5, number 2, number 1 we have completed. So we will start from number 2. Use the dot grid given below to draw your own design and shapes. So here we will draw the shapes by using our own design with the help of the dots. And number 3, complete these figures to make squares and rectangles. So you can see the half of the figure is given, and using the dots we will make the full figure of rectangles, squares and triangle. So we will also do number 4. On the dot grid given below, draw the following: kite, leaf, flower, boat, star and a pot. So in this exercise we will draw the given things with the help of the dot grid. Okay, so in today's class we will complete only page number 5 and page number 6.
So children, this is number 2 from page number 5. Today's date is 12th of April 2021. So you will write date here and you will write classwork here. So the exercise says that use the dot grid given below to draw your own design and shapes. You can see different dot grids are given here. So using this dot grid, you will draw different shapes. Okay, so let us start our shape. We can draw the shape of the square. Yes, using 1, 2, 3, 4 towards the left, 1, 2, 3, 4 towards the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I have used, so here also 5. So below 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so 1, 2, 3. So I have used 5 dots here, 5 dots here, 5 towards down and 5 towards this side. So I've made a square shape. So in this way you can make different designs like this. For example, I will be joining this dot. Again I will be joining this dots. After that this dots and this dots. Then after I will join this dots. So in this way I have made the design here, right? So in such way you can draw your own design. Okay, I have made only 2 design. You can draw more shapes and more design using this dot grid. Now children, this is question number 3. Complete these figures to make squares and rectangles. So half of the figure is given here. Yes, you can see this is a length of one length of rectangle and this is one breadth of rectangle, and this is 2 sides of a triangle, and here also you can see only half portion is given. So you have to complete these figures to make squares and rectangle, and even triangle is there. So let us start how we will do. We will first join the grid like we have done before. So I am joining this 4 grids and this 3 dots. So in this way I have completed the rectangle. So if you want you can use scale. Okay, you can use scale to join the dots also. So here also in this way I have completed the triangle. Let me complete this one. So here I have completed the square. So in this way you will complete this rectangle, square, and here see here only one portion is given. Yes, only one side is given. So you can either form a triangle like this. You can either form a triangle in this manner. Otherwise you can form a square by joining these dots. Okay, so in this way you can form a square or a triangle of your own wish. So hence we have done question number 2, exercise 2 and exercise 3 from page number 5. This is from page number 6. Okay, this is page number 6. The question says that on the dot grid given below, draw the following. So dot grid, we have been doing dot grid. So on the dot grid given below, draw the following. You have to draw kite, leaf, flower, boat, a star, and a pot. So let us start drawing the kite. Okay, so you know the shape of the kite. Let me use this 3 dot grid. After that, this 3 dot grid, this 3 dot grid, and these 3 dot grid. Okay, these 3 dots. So then after we are making a kite, right? So I will use dot grids. You can use scale also, children, over here. Okay, this 3 dot grid, and I am joining the dot here and here to here. Okay, after that we know that kite has a small triangle shape in its below also, and from here we can draw a thread. So in this way I have drawn the kite using different dot grids. So next I will draw a leaf. So you can join, you remember that you have to join the dots. Okay, so this way I have drawn the leaves, drawn a leaf. See, by joining different dots. See, yes, so this is my leaf and this is the stalk of my leaf. So I have drawn leaf also. Now you will draw a flower. Okay, and I will draw a boat. Flower you will draw by your own. I have drawn the leaf. I will draw a boat now. So you know how is boat? Yes, boat sails on the river, or you can say small ponds also. So here I am drawing boat using these dots. See, I can make small flag also here. Yes, so in this way I have drawn the boat, right? So you will also draw the boat in the same manner. Okay, so I have drawn a kite, a leaf, a boat, star, flower, and a pot you will draw by yourself. Okay, so children, we will stop the class here. Next class, in the next class I will be doing page number 7. Okay, so thank you children. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you class.